In today's video, we're going to be doing more linear inequalities. Now, what you'll notice about these is that they're a little bit more complex because what we're doing is we're taking all the stuff we learned through solving equations. So distributing, combining like terms, solving three-step equations, solving with equations with variables on both sides, solving two-step equations. All of those skills we learned, we're applying it now to inequalities. So we're going to have a little bit longer problems. But less to do since they are a little bit longer to do. So we have this long inequality right here. I wrote this down on my separate paper over here. And what I'm going to do is solve this by simplifying both sides. So I'm going to draw my line down the inequality. Over here, I'm going to distribute the 5 to the 9m, which you get 30. No, not 35m, 45m. 5 to the negative 7 is negative 35. Bring down the negative 7. Now I take a look over here. Do I have any like terms? Yeah, I have the negative 7 and the negative 35, which is negative 42. And I'm going to bring down the 45m. All right, let's see over here. What can I simplify? Over here, I can simplify, combine, there's no distributing, so I can combine like terms, negative 2 and negative 9, which is negative 11. Bring down the 9m. Now, what I would do to solve this is you have variables on both sides, so pretty simple enough, just minus 9m from both sides. And you get 36m. And I bring down the negative 11. Now it becomes a two-step inequality. So you have 36m less than, what is it, 31? Yep. And you might get a fraction here, which is not a bad thing. Oh, forgot the m. There's the m. Divide both sides by 36. You get a fraction here. M is less than 31 over 36. But I want to see if I can simplify that. So what I'm going to do is use my Desmos calculator to simplify that for me. 31 fraction bar 36. And let's see. Okay, so that is fully simplified. I don't have to simplify that any further. So it is, what is it, less than? Yep, 31 divided by 36. Awesome. Let's take a look at another one. We could do this one. We could do this one. I want one with a negative, more negatives in it. Let's look. There's a bunch of negatives before. Yeah, let's do this one. I just want to check the answer before I do it. Okay. No, I didn't want that. All right, maybe we'll end up doing this one then. All right, we'll do this one. I'm just going to check the solution in case I do it right. All right, you didn't see that. All right, so I'm going to write this problem down. Negative 6v minus 4. No, I didn't want to write it like that. And negative 10v minus 9. Less than negative 7v and negative 10, negative 4v. Lots of negatives. Minus 10 minus 4v. There we go. All right. Let's solve this. Oh, make sure everything's all right. Yep. All righty. Lots of negatives here. We'll be good with negatives after this one. Full screen right here. Line down the inequality. Over here, I'm going to distribute. Be careful. Distribute the negative 4. So that becomes positive 40v. And when you distribute the negative 4 to this one, it's positive 36. Bring down the negative 6v. Then what I do is I combine like terms. Negative 6v plus 40v is 36v. I bring down the other 36. And I can't simplify that any further. Over here, I can combine like terms. Negative 7v and negative 4v is negative 11v. Bring down the negative 10. All right, solve this. What I would do, I would add 11v to both sides. So you get 47v. Bring everything else down, plus 36, less than, was it negative 10? Negative 10. I'm gonna pan this down a little bit. Yep, so I brought that down, good stuff there. Minus 36 from both sides. So I get 47v less than or equal to negative 46. Divide both sides by 47. And out of 47 doesn't go into 46. So let's double check with our Desmos calculator. Let's check if you can simplify that. I highly doubt it, but it's good to check. Boom. Nope, can't simplify it. Pretty sure that was the answer. Let's see if I was right. No, 46 over 45. Where did I mess up on this one? Oh, right here. This is 45. All right, what color am I going to do this in? Yellow, 45. And then I'm going to erase this one too. Man, one little mistake can set you back, but it's a good thing I checked. And so we have negative 46 divided by 45. All right. Less than, we said? Yep, less than. All right, so be careful with these problems, okay? There's a lot going on, so make sure you're careful with the negatives. And actually, you saw me make a mistake, so just be careful with your guys' mistakes when you're doing these. All right, so good luck with these. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.